Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and I am participating in a Christmas traditional theme traveler's notebook swap, and my swap partner is Faye, and this is the journal that I've made to swap with her. And right here I put a little journaling spot. Open it up. This is a little belly band and it has tea stained paper. An opening there for like a folder. Just a little journaling spot here on the back. I have an envelope. And this is a little tuck spot I added. I thought that was really cute. And you can also journal right here. And I found this little wreath on a piece of fabric, so I thought I'd just sew that on there. And it folds in like that. And this is a little tuck spot here. All of these are tea stained pages here, and I stamped on there. And I'm hoping that she really likes this journal. I'm not really good at doing tea stained paper, but I did my best. And I think it came out quite nicely. Oh, okay, so here I put a reindeer for the place mark and a little jingle bell. This is a little pocket from that fabric in the beginning. I just sewed this image on and backed it with a piece of paper. And it makes a little pocket, cute little pocket. Plenty of journaling pages. And I put quite a bit of banners here, but you can journal, you can still journal here. 2 pockets on this side and a little tuck spot here with some tea stained paper and a tag. Let's make sure I get that in there so I can close it properly. Don't want it to bend. And I put the little jingle bells on the closure. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.